Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to presentation about below the clause group and parentheses. Me as moderator is Rahna Aulia, and then my friend is Andri Fitriani and Sofia Ramadhani. I hope you enjoy in this video. For the first is what a clause. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. It's a basic building block of a sentence. Key components of clause. First is a subject, the person, place, thing, or idea that perform the action or is described. In the second is predicate, the part of the sentence that tells what the subject does or is. It typically includes a verb. Type of a clause. Independent clause. Definition: a group of words that express a complete thought. It has a subject and a verb. Example: the cat sat on the mat. Dependent clause. Definition of a group of words that has a subject and a verb but does not express a complete thought. It relies on the independent clause to form a complete sentence. Example: because the cat was hungry. Example sentence: because the cat was tired, it sat on the mat. Although she was tired, she finished her work. She finished her work although she was tired. What is a group? In linguistics, a group is a general term of a collection of words that function together as a unit within a sentence. It's a broader category that encompasses various types of phrases. Common types of group include noun group, a group of words centered around a noun. Example: the big red ball. Verb group. A group of words centered around a verb. Example: has been running quickly. Then adjective group. A group a group of words centered around an adjective. Example: really very tired. Adverb group. A group of words centered around an adverb. Example: extremely quickly. While the term group is often used interchangeably with a phrase, phrases are a more specific unit that focus on the syntactic function of the word of group within a sentence. What is a parenthesis? A parenthesis is a group of words that function as a single unit within a sentence. It doesn't contain a subject and a verb, so I can stand alone as a complete sentence. Type of parenthesis: 1. Non-parenthesis. Uh, a group of words that function as a noun. 2. Verb parenthesis. A group of words that function as a verb. 3. Adjective parenthesis. A group of words that function as an adjective.
4 is adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb. For example, is extremely quickly. 5 is propositional phrase. Propositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronouns. For example, is like in a garden. First, add details and complexity to sentence, helping to convey meaning more precisely. And pairs. In English grammar, groups and pairs are fundamental building blocks of sentence. They serve various functions to convey meaning and structure within a sentence group. One is noun group or NG. Its function refers to a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, like the tall, dark, and stranger. Two is verb group. The function is expresses an action, event, or state of being. Three is adjective group. The function is describe a noun or pronoun. For example, like extremely tired and hungry. 4 is adverb groups. Function is modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb. For example, like very quickly and efficiently press. Function is non-praise function. Can function as a object, subject, or complement in a sentence. For example, like the big or red apple. Dig is verb press. Function forms the predicate of a sentence. For example, like has been eating a sandwich. When is adjective phrase. Function modify a noun or pronoun. For example, like very happy to see you. Egg is adverb phrase. Function modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb. For example, like very quickly and efficiently. 9 is propositional phrase. Function can function as an adjective or adverb. For example, like in the garden.
Key function of group and process. Subject. The doer of the action. The old man walked slowly. Object. The receiver of the action. She bought a new car. Complement. Completes the meaning of the verb. He is a doctor. Adverbial. Modifies the verb, adjective, or adverb. She sounds very beautiful. How group and process work together. Imagine building a house with blocks. Group and process are like the different types of blocks you use. Groups are larger combination of phrases that form complete sentences. They contain a subject, who or what does the action, and the predicate, what the subject does. Phrases are similar groups of words that work together to form a single part of a sentence. Like a single block, they can act as noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Think of it like this. Phrases, the big red ball, act like a noun, so phrases are the building block and group are the complete structure you build with them. Conclusion. In conclusion, clause, group, and phrases are the fundamental building block of language. They work in tandem to form complex sentences that convey meaning and ideas. Clause. There are the core unit of a sentence containing a subject and a verb. They can stand alone as independent clauses or depend on other clauses to form compound or complex sentence. Group. These are smaller units within clause consisting of words that belong to the same grammatical category. They provide the basic meaning of a clause. Phrases. These are groups of words that function as a single unit within a sentence. They add detailed description and context to the core meaning of a clause. By understanding the roles of these linguistic elements, we can analyze sentence structure, improve our writing skill, and effectively communicate our thoughts.
I think is enough. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.